Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We appreciate all the love and support that you've shown during our building journey, and we are super excited to share more of our progress with you now. Now, in this episode, we'll be revealing the costs that we incurred when we did our roofing stage. We are very excited that we finished this roofing stage, as it is one of the most expensive stages when building. Now, depending on where you're building and the type of building, costs will differ significantly. So the costs that I'm going to review are specific to our building and our taste and preferences. Our team of skilled builders and carpenters worked tirelessly to produce a perfectly functioning roof, ensuring that it met all of our expectations. Their hard work and professionalism led to an efficient and successful installation without us ever having to step onto the site. They managed to accurately estimate quantities, source high-quality materials at reasonable prices, and installed the roof system to completion professionally. So every stage has its own challenges, and this roofing stage was no exception. Now, as you may recall from the earlier episodes, our ground is not flat. The building is split into two levels. So it meant that our roof also had to be split into two levels and not just one continuous roof. So basically, we ended up with two roofs on the house, one overlapping on top of the other. So where they join or overlap, we had to install special custom-made gutters to collect water so that it does not seep into the walls and damage the building. So we had to install box gutters, header tanks and downpipes to prevent water from collecting and damaging the wall supporting the higher roof. So that was an added cost that we did not anticipate, but it needed to be installed for the roof to function properly and not damage the walls. Now, let's get down to the actual business of the day, the costs. Now, timber, assorted sizes, nails and other sundries was around $3,400 US. Transport for the timber was around $50. Fuel for the generator for cutting the timber and IBR sheets was around $20. Cutting discs were $10 US. Food for the builders and carpenters, roughly around $50 US. Box gutters, header tanks, downpipes, etc. was around $418. Labor for the box gutters was around $170 US. Beam filling, one cement bag, $12 US. Beam filling labor was $100 US. Now the IBR sheets, 0.4 millimeters in gray color, were $2,300. Transport from Harare was $180. Miscellaneous costs around $120 US. Labor for timber work and IBR installation was $1,200. The overall total cost was a whopping $8,200 US. Once again, thank you very much for the love and support. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more content like this. In the next episode, we'll be doing floors and plastering the walls. Remember, it's all about making progress one stage at a time. Slowly but surely, we will get there in the end. Stay inspired. Peace.